This is the V-Sek 35-inch LED amber light bar. I have it suction mounted to my rear window. Although the suction mount is really hard to center up and actually mount it, it is a better alternative if you don't want to mount it and drill into your car. And it does come with mounting hardware right here. And I do not have it hardwired, I have it cigarette lighter powered, run through, tucked in between the seats, and the power switch is right here. This is the cigarette lighter switch for it. This turns it on, and then this button right here switches the modes. This is what it looks like, and it is long enough to run from the rear of my car to the front with plenty of room. This light bar has 8 LED blocks with 4 LED circles for each block, and this is what it looks like. And this is through 15% window tint. So if your windows are not tinted, you'll be able to see it even better. But with window tint, it is still fairly decent.